Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by installing Xaero's Minimap and launching Minecraft. Open the Minimap menu with M so you can configure it now. Once done, make sure keybinds don't conflict. Change the key if needed. You should enable chunk updates and choose a scale, 1. 0 gives balance, 0. 5 shows more area. Doing this early speeds up navigation because the map renders chunks and player icons immediately, which helps you orient and plan routes before exploring further. Now you customize how the map displays information so it fits your playstyle. You should toggle entities and player icons to reduce clutter and use waypoints to mark bases or resources. This makes navigation faster. Next, set the map position, corner for HUD, center for exploration, or full screen when you need an overview. Also, adjust biome colors, cave mapping, and night shading because they reveal terrain and caves. These visual tweaks help you spot resources. Finish by adding waypoints. Press B, then name the spot. Choose color and icon so you can identify it at a glance. Once set, use waypoints to teleport or plan trips, export or sync them if you play on multiple installs. If something goes wrong, like the map not rendering, check mod load order, conflicting mods, and the Minimap config file. Reset settings if needed. Doing this last ensures your map is reliable and your markers stay accurate across sessions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.